If I look back at my academic career, I could have taken a different path at a lot of places. So, when I was a 12-year-old kid, I had started to gain some kind of a newfound interest in mathematics. At that point of time, if I would get another opportunity, I would like to completely immerse myself in mathematics, and I would like to read and practice as many mathematics problems, ideas, and concepts as I can. And that could have led me to a very different kind of a career, because from 12 to 16, these 4 years decided my future career track. So, if in these 4 years I would have completely given myself to mathematics, like an athlete in mathematics, I would really have been on a different career trajectory. So, that is one instance I could have done differently if I am given the benefit of this hindsight. The second instance is, while I was choosing the subjects to study after my class 10th, when I was a 16-year-old kid, I first chose physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology, and then later shifted to physics, chemistry, maths, and computer science. If I am being given that opportunity to do a refresh on that, I will definitely stick with biology, because I was always interested in biology as a subject, and maybe I thought that I would become a doctor one day, but that part of the story is for another video. But I don't know why did I move away from biology to computer science. Maybe it would have been because of peer influence. But I believe that if I would have taken biology in my class 11-12 when I was a 16-year-old kid, I would really have taken different career path, and that would have been very different from what I'm doing now. Now the next part is, when I had gotten to some kind of situation where I could have chosen an engineering college. Because of my own mistakes while choosing the college and the department, I could not get a seat at an engineering college in the first attempt. And that is something I always think that it maybe that led me towards IIT, but I believe that if I go back to that situation again, I would definitely get into a good college with a good department with that kind of performance which I had, because I had a decent rank and I could have gotten into a very good college. I mean, I would say a tier 1 college and a kind of okay branch. But the thing is, I did some kind of mistake while counseling, and that is one instance. If I go back and try to change a bit, my career will be a lot different. In the year I started preparing for IIT again, in the year in which I dropped 1 year to just prepare for the IIT entrance examination. If I am given that opportunity to do something else in that year, I would have gotten into a BSc program, maybe a BSc in physics or environmental sciences, who knows, and my career would have been a totally different kind of a career. And as this year is ending, so rather than having a kind of a reconciliation with this year 2021, I thought that maybe I'll just look back in the past academic career. I mean, how far I can go back and try to understand at which crucial junctures, if I would have taken a different decision or a different path, I would have been a totally different person. So with that said, I would urge you guys to do the same. Maybe this will give you a different kind of an outlook towards life, which is kind of necessary when you have to think about what you really want in life, because not everybody needs a high paying package at a big multinational corporation. You have your dreams and you need to chase them.